As a homeowner, there are things you should do each month to make sure your house stays in top condition. So here are the 8 things for this month to keep your house in working order.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for November. 1. Clean your oven and refrigerator coils. 2. Reverse ceiling fan direction for winter use. 3. If needed in your area, stock up on salt, sand, and snow removal supplies. 4. Inspect and repair handrails or steps leading into your home. 5. Organize and declutter closets to make room for winter items. 6. Inspect the attic for adequate ventilation before winter. 7. Test all holiday lights and extension cords for safety. 8. Check the insulation in your garage door to help with energy efficiency.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.